What's even more fascinating is that perfume doesn't smell the same on everyone. Your body chemistry, pH levels, skin type, diet, even hormones can alter how fragrance develops. A vanilla-based scent might smell warm and sweet on one person but turn oddly sour on another. This is why finding the perfect perfume can feel like a quest. It's not just about the bottle, but how it interacts with you. Perfumers know this, which is why they craft their blends with layers that adapt and shift, ensuring the scent remains intriguing from first spray to final fade.